Hi guys, welcome to my channel. How you all doing? Hope good. I'm looking this way because I'm about to do my hair by myself. The last time I braided my hair is almost like a year ago, and I'm about to do that. Not like I'm not braiding my hair, I mean like for me to braid my own hair. Okay, so enough of the talking. So let's do that right now. I don't really know because anyways, I'm at home today. It's Sunday, so hopefully I'm starting it at about 3 o'clock. I don't know when I'm going to finish, but it's going to be jumbo, kind of like jumbo braid, so it doesn't take the whole day for me to finish. Let me show you guys. I had this since June, like over 4 months ago. I just moved this under my bed. You can see dust on it, so I'll be using rubber bands. I'll be using, I don't know if I'll use this, but I'll use the combs. Then I have some coconut oil that I'll use to oil my hair. Then I have here rose water that I'll spray on my hair because my hair gets dry and it's really painful when combing it. And I'm going to move my mirror over here because I need it close to me so that I can be able to see. Can't wait to finish. I'm tired. Oh, this is a closer look of it. How did I do? I want to burn the edges and no, damp it with hot water. It's done or it. Then I'll dry it and then I'll do small makeup and then come back. You go. So there you go, we're done. What do you guys think in the comment section? Let me know. I'm going to come back with a more snatch face because I'll be going out soon. Are you ready? Ta-da! Let me put it in here. Like guys, on a scale of 10, how do you think I perform? Rate it, rate the look, rate the look, rate the look, the hair. Get yourself a babe that will sit in her house and do her own hair. Hey, folks, like I really didn't know the look would turn out this way, and I still have like 5 or 6 packets left. Anyways, what do you guys think? I'm going to be rocking this look in the next 2 weeks or 3 weeks. Let's see how it goes. Well, I'm enjoying that. I'm even feeling like to film a video right now. I'll film a video. This makeup cannot go to waste. I know I have to go out, but I'll film a video before I go out. The way the weather is dull today. Anyways, I'm enjoying this look. Sometimes I'll just be fine like You guys, I said there was just 6 left, but the way it's looking, there are 7 bundles left. Like, I still have to do this style like one more time.
The next day.
I have your pepper soup spice, country onion. I don't know some of their names, but I know the spice just by looking at it. I hate to boil cow leg, that's it misbehaving. Anyways, white pepper, bush pepper, black pepper, bay leaves, okay, some jansa, garlic, ginger. Cow food has been cooking for like 30 minutes. I'm going to go ahead and wash it then before cooking it again. I'm going to blend this first before I add the other ingredients. In less than a minute, this is what we have. That's why you need a good blender. Like, I don't regret purchasing this. Like, the review still goes on and on and on. The best blender I've bought so far and I've used. Like, let me blend this. Look at that. So I'm just going to go ahead and add ginger, garlic. I don't want to dirty another cup, so I'll force it inside like so. Let me see if we can close properly. After washing, I'm putting back my inside the pot. And if I allow it to cook nicely together. Maybe seasoning, salt. So I had to change the pot because it was small, and of course I need more of the soup, so I added more water and I changed the pot. So I'm going with my bay leaves. Go in with this mix. I'm going to rinse this. Last off, I'm going to be adding spring onion. The smell in my kitchen, it's out of this world. Like, I'm going to eat this. I love having pepper soup with a lot of soup. What am I saying? I love eating my meat in pepper soup with a lot of soup. I don't know what I'm saying here, but you guys get it. I love a lot of soup. That's why you see this like this. So I'm done with the soup, so I want to move over to pineapples. Since today's Saturday, I just want to blend pineapples for the next 3 days. So just go ahead and peel this, slice it, and put in the blender. There's a recipe on the channel just in case you're interested in it. Immediately I finish with the pineapple juice, I'm going to make sobolo. Fruit juice is ready.